So here it is. Now we are going to play with our lighting. So let me go to our viewport, shading, and then uncheck this button. So now I'm going to add a spotlight. Shift A, press Shift A on your keyboard, and then go here to this lighting tab, and then go add a spotlight and move it on the Z-axis. But also I want to add area light on top. Let me see how is this looking in the spotlight. I would like to add an area light on top rather than instead of adding an spotlight. So delete this and then press A and then go add area light and then set it on the top of it, or press RX and press 90 to move it on the x-axis, and then move it on the axis like this, and then move it like this, and then let's see how it's given a look. Let me play with my area lights. The first light is selected, and here you can rename it this light, right and row, and then or double press here to rename it like my first, or you can give it name to the light, rim light or ring light light, and I can go with this second and with this third, and I am going to give it a little bit darker color, and then give it power to like 20 I guess. With this I am also going to select this and change the color of it a little bit, and then also make it light 25 or something like this. Then select this camera to go to the properties section, and then but I want it white, so don't play with colors anymore. It will be a lot brighter. I want it same light. Then yeah, our default power. Now we also want to add in area light on top. Press Shift A, go to lighting, and then add area light, and then go like this, and then see the look of it. Yeah, it's looking nice. Now I want to play with my camera a little bit. Press N on your keyboard to toggle it, and then check the sound to edit your camera settings. And I want like this. Let me play with camera a little bit. Yeah, maybe like this. I wanted like this, I guess. Yeah, and then uncheck this and how it's looking like. Yeah, I guess so. It's looking nice to me. But let me change to like this 6,000, and then play with this like 18,000, and then go to first light, play with this like 15, I guess. It's looking a lot brighter. But with also this, we want to change light position like this, like this, and then like this. We want to change the position of lightning to give it smooth lightning, then giving it a sharp lightning. And after that, we are moving to see how it's looking. Yeah, it's perfectly fine, and we can add here the area lights to give it a little bit more brighter look. Or we can duplicate this, press Shift D and move to the x-axis, and then Shift D and move to the x-axis. But change the power of this lightning to like 3000, and also this go with the same 3000. And now let me add this. Yeah, it's giving nice look, but also we can add a light here too. Let me go and duplicate this lighting and move it on the y-axis, go like this, and then play with like 4000, and then see how it's looking like. View from Premiere. Yeah, it's giving a nice look. I hope so. But the lightning shade is coming up on our way, and this shadow is coming up. But I hope so. It's looking not that bad in our scene, but you can edit or adjust your lightnings so this will not come up. And we will play with our settings a little bit, and we almost done with our camera and with our lighting. This is looking very nice scene. In this video, I just told you how to make a chess pawn in Blender. We are not here to teach you every detail of this, because when you are going to make a project, you will mess it up for many times. But eventually, you will end up like making a good chess pawn in Blender. So in my videos, I will just give you little bit demo of making a model in Blender, but you have to make it perfect by your own. So we are done with our lighting and with our camera. Now we have to go to this engine and then select this engine to cycles. And if you have graphic card, then select this. And after that, we will go to the noise through math samples to 2048, and it's totally up to you how much samples do you want to make it. But I will do like 5.12 lattice. Yeah, it's will be perfectly fine. And then I also check this denoise on and then select this objects because I have objects, so I can select this. If you don't have graphic card, then this option will not show up to you, but you don't have to worry because you are a very beginner and naive in this 3D art world. Whenever you will grow a little bit and you learn so many new things, you will try to buy a new graphic card, as like me. And yeah, and after that we are going to see this color management, and now I'm going to select this edges. You can go with filmic or standard if you want them. And after that we are going to select this medium high contrast. It will give a darker look, but with this very high contrast I say, yeah, it will be a lot more darker, but I will go with medium low contrast. Yeah, it's giving a nice look, but you can go with medium high contrast too if you like this blade dark chest on scene environment. But I'm going with medium low contrast. And then we are done with this. And then here we are done. We can select this render engine to view from a camera angle. And here you can select this output where you wanna save this project. I don't want to change, but if you want to save this project in any other file, you can go in this tab. And after that, send file extensions and file format PNG is done. You can select any one of other, but I would suggest UPNG is fine for me. And then we're done. You have to go with this complete blade, your world properties. And yeah, we are almost done with our scene. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial how to make chest bouncing in Blender, and hope you will make something by your own. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And now let's render this chest bouncing that we have created. Go to this render tab and then go with render image. This will take a while to render our scene, so let's wait till it's completely rendered. So yeah, now our scene is completely rendered. Here you are able to see our scene is completely rendered here. This is a look of our render. So I hope you like this tutorial and enjoy it. If you do like this video and you want me to continue my teachings in Blender, hope subscribe my channel, like and comment below how I can improve it. And also if you want to learn Blender from scratch, I will put a link in my comment below of my playlist where you will be able to find different Blender tutorials from scratch. And if you want to learn Blender, then watch that playlist. You will know the basics of Blender very pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you found it interested and will continue watching my videos. And meet you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching this again. But here, one more thing I want to tell you. Go to your image and then go to a save as. If you want to save this in your computer or in your laptop, then go with a save as and save it wherever you want this render to be, in whatever folder you want it to be. So thank you so much for watching this video.